In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT in incognito mode. And if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by just hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel to support me. So if you want to use ChatGPT and not store your history, it is quite simple. Usually you'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT any query, and then you'll see the chat history here. And as you can see, I have history bar here, and this information has been stored in ChatGPT history. But in case you don't want ChatGPT to store your history or to store the memory of your creations, then you may want to go ahead and switch on incognito mode. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over here to temporary and then tap on it. So if you go ahead now and ask any question, ChatGPT will go ahead and give you a response. Here is the response. But there is one unique thing about this response. It does not appear on our history or on sidebar here. This means that ChatGPT didn't store this information in its memory. Now to exit incognito mode, it is still quite simple. Just tap on a new tab and you'll be out of temporary mode. However, before you go ahead and ask any question, you can still switch on and switch off this temporary mode by just toggling it on and off just like this, and you'll exit and enter incognito mode. So that's how you use ChatGPT incognito mode. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.